Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Young fellow at work came in to show me his knife today. It's a USA-made Kershaw Leek spring assist, but I started to just clean it up and decided I'd go ahead and make a quick video. I'm not going to record each and every moment of this because it takes quite a while, especially in the condition it's in. You see, I started loosening up some of this mess. I have some still pictures that I was taking just to show this fellow. But Mike, your knife was a mess, brother. I'm not going to get in here with my bare hands and scrub this loose because who knows what all this stuff is. But this is just a quick look of what it's like now. I'm going to get some gloves on so I can get out here and get into it. But I'll just pause the video and we'll watch the progress. I will flip this over so you can see here USA made Kershaw. The lock is broke. There's supposed to be a little pin in here that catches the edge of the blade. The pin's missing, so I may be able to replace that or come up with something else to put in there. So I'm going to pause for now, get some gloves, and see if I can get this a little bit more cleaned up in the next segment of the video. Okay, guys, took a little break here, watching make cutlery great again. Sorry about that. Turn him down and mute him for a second. So I got the major mess cleaned up here. You should see that other paper towel. Some of this stuff is really like etched into the aluminum. I'm not going to bother to put on a buffer wheel or anything. This is going to be just fine. It'll work just great. I'm about to go get some dry lube to put in there. And we'll get this thing put back together. So I'll jump back in there, I'll pause it, and jump back in a few minutes before I lose this washer again. Okay, well, we're back. I got this little Kershaw put back together. Works just fine. Got a little excess oil in it here, but we're going to give it I kind of worked the blade a little bit. I can tell just by the look at this, it was used probably in one of the electric sharpeners. Has two wheels. It's got some pretty deep scores in it. I would have to put it on the belt sander or the heavy stones to completely redo it. But I think I've got a piece of paper here. I think I've got it usable sharp. It's a job site work knife. That's sharp enough for what it's going to be used for, stripping wires and such. This belongs to an electrician. But she got her snapback, cleaned out the gunk. The lock was broken, so I just omitted it. If Mike has any problems with this thing opening up in his pocket, I'll reach out to Kershaw and pick him up one. I think they're only a couple bucks. Well, there you go, Mr. Mike. Your Kershaw Leek functional again. And back in action. Until I see y'all again. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.